Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Surajit and I am currently working as Manager Technical Services. Today we will be learning SQL interview questions based on case studies. These interview questions are for those students who has intermediary knowledge of SQL. This would be a series of videos, so please stay with me. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. After this series of videos, you will be acquiring these SQL skills like data cleaning and transformation, aggregations, joins, common table expressions, variables, window functions like ranking or analytics, case-when statements, subqueries, union and intersect, datetime function, data type conversion, text function, text and string manipulation. So let me start with this entity relationship diagram. Here you can see three tables are given: sales, members, and menu. In sales table, there are three variables like customer ID with the data type worker 1, order date with data type date, product ID with the data type integer. In members table, customer ID with data type worker 1, join date with the data type timestamps. And in menu table, there are three variables which includes product ID with the data type integer, product name with the data type worker 5, and price with the data type integer. Now let us look at the question. So the question is given here like which item was the most popular for each customer. Okay. So I am pausing this video for 10 seconds, or you can pause the video and you try to find out the answer by yourself. Okay. Okay. Now this is the solution for the question. You just go through it. Although I'm going to explain it line by line, the query that is given here, why I have written it, what I have done exactly, and yes, and you can also cross-check with your answer also, like whether it is matching it or not. Okay, so let me start with the explanation of the query. So this is a SQL query. Select most frequently ordered item for each customer from a sales table and a menu table. Okay, so this query starts with a common table expressions. The name is given as fab item CTE. This CTE defines a temporary result set that can be used in subsequent queries in the main query block. Okay, so the CTE query selects customer ID, product name, and the count of each product ID ordered by each customer ID. Okay, and it also calculates dense rank of each product ordered by the customer based on the order count using dense rank function, window function. Okay, the partition by clause divides the data by customer ID and order by clause, customer ID and the order by clause orders the data by the count of product ID in descending order. Okay, the city query uses a join to link the sales table with the menu table using common field product ID. Okay, the city query group the result by customer ID and product name using group by clause. After that, the main query selects customer ID and product name and ordered column from the CT that we have created. The where clause filters the results set to only show the rows where the rank is equal to number 1, meaning the item ordered in the most frequently ordered item by the customer. Okay, so in summary, so this query selects most frequently ordered item for each customer by using common table expression and window function to rank the items by order count, then filter the result set to show only the rows with the highest rank. So this is the solution for the question. Uh, okay. Okay. The next question is, which item was purchased first by the customer after they become a member? So let me pause here for 10 seconds and you people try to find out the answer of this question, and then I will explain the query later. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. Just cross check with your answer that you have written. And now I am going to explain the query line by line. Okay. So this SQL query actually selects information about the customer first purchase after joining, including the customer ID, the product name of the first purchase, the order date of the first purchase, and the join date of the customer. Okay. So what this query did actually, this query selects column from the member sales and the menu tables joined together using join keywords. The join clause links the customer ID field from the members table to the customer ID field from the sales table. The second join clause links the product ID field from the sales table to the product ID field from the menu table. The third join clause creates a subquery that selects the customer ID and the minimum order date for each customer, where the order date is greater than and equal to join date of the customer. This subquery is aliased as R. The query uses group by clause to group the results set by customer ID. The on clause of the second join clause links the customer ID and the first order date from the subquery to the customer ID and order date fields in the sales table. The select clause specifies the columns to be displayed in the result set, including customer ID from the members table and product name from the menu table, the order date from the sales table, and the join date from the member table. So in summary, this query joins the member, sales, and menu tables together to find out the customer first purchase after joining using a subquery to identify the first order date for each customer. The result sets includes customer ID and the product name of the first purchase and the order date of the first purchase and the join date of the customer. So this is the explanation of the whole query that is written here. Okay, you can just cross check with your answer and find out whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, and if you have any question or any feedback that you want to share, please write it in the comment box. And also, if you like the video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.